Wash your hands, brush your hair, take a bath and show you care. Exercise, you feel so strong. Read a book, you can't go wrong. Write a story, teach a friend. Study hard, there's no end. Think big thoughts and paint with cheer. Work with love, the world is near. Clean your room, then cook and eat. Drink some water, it's a treat. Wave to friends, clap your hands. Talk and laugh across the lands. Walk and run, go out to play. Skip and jump through the day. Sing a song, dance around. Drive and ride, fun is found. Sleep at night, dream so high. In your mind, you can fly. Swim the ocean, build a tower. Juggle fun, it's your power. Let's all move, let's all try. Learning's